Hey there, how are you doing? Thank you so much for checking out this video. This is Ash from Fetch Profits. If you're already using ConvertKit, or if you are about to sign up for ConvertKit, or if you're considering selling your digital products, you need to know that apart from all the features that ConvertKit already comes with as an email marketing software, which means that it has all the things that relate to email marketing, such as growing your subscribers, keeping a track of all the subscribers, tagging your subscribers, making sure that you add them into segments appropriately, or using landing pages, forms to grow your subscribers, and also sending out broadcast automations with a visual automation tool provided, or you could have RSS feeds that go out to your subscribers on a regular basis. You have all of those features that come with ConvertKit, and it's a great fit for bloggers, content creators, small and medium-sized businesses. Now, apart from all of that, there's also ConvertKit Commerce, which comes with a variety of tools for you to help sell your digital products, coaching services, or regular services depending on what you're selling. To sell products, you would need to add a product to ConvertKit, and that's what we're going to try and figure out in this video. If you haven't gotten yourself a ConvertKit account, please do make sure to get yourself a copy at fetchprofits.com/ConvertKit and follow along. Inside your ConvertKit account, you have what is called as Earn on the top navigation menu. Click on Earn and you'll find an option called Products. Click on Products and this is the page you will get to. Now the first step is obviously to set up your integrations. Please do note that ConvertKit only integrates with Stripe. As long as you have Stripe working in your country, you can go ahead and proceed using a simple, easy to use wizard. And once you're done, come back here to this particular page and click on New Product on the top right corner. And once you click on New Product, you get to this page where you need to give your product a name. I'm going to give it a name called Test, but I highly recommend giving it a descriptive name so that it's easier for you to promote on social media, in your content assets, blog posts, and elsewhere. Now you have two options for product type. One is a regular product, which customers can avail for a one-time fee, which you can use for ebooks, digital art, illustrations, access to videos and things of that sort. Or you can have subscriptions where customers pay you a monthly fee. Let's assume that I'm going to choose product and click on next. You have three standard pricing methods for your products. One is a standard one-time fee. The other is pay what you want fee, where you have a minimum threshold such as $19, and people can choose to pay you either 19 or more than 19. Or you have a payment plan which is great for high ticket offers, where you have a much higher price product which is payable in installments, such as 3 installments quarterly, and then click on next. And once you click on next, you need to choose the fulfillment method, which depends on the product type that you're selling. If you were selling an ebook or a digital art or some kind of a file that people can download, you need to upload that file here in this particular section. Or you have an option of running a paid newsletter, which is usually sent out on a particular frequency, and people can pay you for access to that newsletter. Or you could sell your coaching services or your regular services by choosing something else here, and then click on next. This is the section where you add a custom domain to your ConvertKit account. Please do check out my other video where I talk about how to add a custom domain to your ConvertKit account. If you did, then you would have a custom domain showing up, which is a fully branded URL where your landing pages, products, and everything else that you create with ConvertKit lives. So this is your default domain name, which is hustle.fetchprofits.com in my case. Now the page URL for your products is going to be hustle.fetchprofits.com/products, and the name of the product is going to show up here after products. Your domain could be something like get.yourdomain.com/products/product name. And now click on create product and your product is ready. It comes with its own landing page. So this is how you create products and set them up inside ConvertKit. You can add as many products as you like. I highly recommend use ConvertKit landing pages to give away something in exchange. First, use ConvertKit's email marketing features such as broadcasts and automation sequences to try and nurture your subscribers who downloaded your free products, and then push sales after they get used to your content for a while. That's the best way to go about email marketing, and I hope that works for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.